Welcome to the Green Winch YouTube channel. We're going to look at this, sent to me from iKich. Yes, it's a kettle, but it's a bit of an ironic story with this. I'm going to say a week ago, we had a kettle, and we have a lot of tea and coffee in this house. Believe me, we have a lot. We're English, so we're going to have a lot of tea, but we do have a lot. That kettle goes on and off, without exaggerating, and I'm sure a lot of other people, especially British people, will agree, over 50 times a day that kettle is going on and off. Easily over 50 times a day. That ain't even an exaggeration. If we have family around, we could be up to 100 times a day on and off that kettle. I'm sure there's a lot of British people out there that will agree, and probably people from other countries as well. We had a kettle, and it was quite an expensive one. It weren't a cheap one. We had a kettle, quite an expensive one, quite a nice looking one. I've not got it to hand. Quite an expensive one, quite a nice one. It just completely died. We had it about 2 years. It completely died. So I had no guarantee, no warranty, nothing. It was completely shot. So I'm like, oh no. And like I say, we have that on 50 times a day. It's probably just, its lifespan's gone. So I'm like, oh, I've got to buy a kettle. So I went out and I went to Lidl. I was in Lidl and they had this silver crust. And remember, this is the same day that the kettle broke. So the kettle broke, we went out and done a bit of shopping. I ended up in Lidl, and I've been in Lidl probably about 2 times in my entire life. There's not even one near me. We went down the coast. On the way back, there was a Lidl. I stopped off to get an ice cream, and there was a kettle. So I thought, oh yeah, I forgot we needed a kettle, because we went out that day. We went down the coast. If you watch all these videos, there's a couple of videos of me down the coast. It was that day, if that video's even gone out yet. So I saw this in there, £25, and it's like a ceramic sort of kettle, and I thought, oh, that'd do for now. And it's all right. It's a bit slow boiling, but that's that there. The ironic part of this story is, it was going to be a stopgap kettle, that one anyway, but not a 1 week stopgap. The ironic part of that is, 2 days later, iKich contacted me. I don't know how they knew my kettle had broke, but they contact me and says, we've got this new kettle out, this new glass kettle. Would you like to test it? So I'm like, okay. iKich, they do sell stuff on Amazon. I do a lot of Amazon reviews. So the link to this will be below, and it's it's about £25 on Amazon. It's a bargain. I think it's on sale at the moment. I think it goes up to about 30 odd quid, 35 quid maybe. But at the time of doing this video, it's about £24, £25, maybe even cheaper. Because you know, sometimes I have little vouchers. I think this one had a little voucher on it, so you could save some money. So it's got a 1.7 litre capacity. It's got a large, a blue LED ring, one button to open, one button to open, auto shut off, and anti-dry boiling. That's all good features you need. That is all good features you need. It's got quite good boiling time as well. So if you fill it up about halfway, I like the glass. If you fill it up about halfway, it will boil in about 2 minutes. If you fill it up to the top, it's up to 5 minutes it could take to boil. When you click it on, you've got the blue LED light round the bottom. What's not to like about a kettle with an LED light in it? Look at that. And when the lights are off, it does look pretty cool when it's boiling. I really like the glass effect. There's an issue I have. I do have an issue, like, you know, on all my videos, I find the faults on a lot of kettles. Even this one I got from Lidl, that's probably classed as a cheap kettle, because I live in a hard water area. Well, if you buy a kettle anywhere, it comes with, I can't even get it out, this bit. Look, you can see how hard hard water is in the area I live in. So you get like chalk. We get chalk. So hard water areas, a lot of chalk in the water, and a lot of kettles you buy in England, and I can only talk for England because this is where I live, but a lot of kettles you buy, they have these little tiny mesh sort of things, and you put it in there and it stops all that chalk coming in your cup of tea. So that just clips in there. This one's quite stiff to put in, to be honest. But it clips in there, and every so often you clean out that little mesh and it stops all the chalk. I'll show you the chalk. If you don't live in a hard water area, you'll be thinking, what's he talking about? Look, that's inside of the kettle. That's just chalk. That is not going to hurt you. It's just chalk. It's not going to hurt you at all. If you're in a hard water area, you do get a lot of that chalk. They're quite nice. This, on the other hand, the fault I was getting to, you can see the little vents there. It's just got like gaps. It's just got gaps. So there's no mesh filter for this. iKich, you must be watching this, because you sent me the product to review. Next kettle you release, think of the people in the hard water area, because we need a little mesh in there. We need a little mesh. That literally is my only grumble. That is my only grumble. There's no mesh, and there's nothing in there that's going to stop it. You've got a nice stainless steel top part. You've got plastic around here. It does come in a range of colours. There's a black one, there's a white one, there's a silver one. I probably would have liked the silver one. And that's it, and it goes on the standard base. It's a glass kettle sent to me from iKich. That's about £25 on Amazon. So go and have a look, and while you're there, or here, while you're here, subscribe to this channel if you want more kettle, iron, or vaping reviews, or anything else that gets sent to me. That's about it for today. You take care of yourselves. See you on that next video.